Namaste, good morning. So today we're going to work on crow posture or Bakasana, and from crow posture we're going to go to headstand. This is a challenging posture, so make sure you listen to yourself. I will try to explain as much as I can, so please make sure you are very careful. The steps are, so you are sitting on your feet, bringing your palms in the front, open your hands wide. Now you are coming to your toes, lifting yourself up, bending the arms. So now either you're gonna put your knees on the triceps or underarm. Everyone is different. For me, the triceps work best. Now look here, your head is always lifted. If your head is down, you're gonna fall on your head and get hurt, which we don't want to do that. So from here, this is the first step. So make sure you have a good contact between your knees and the triceps. Once you have a good contact, try to shift weight on your arms, but head is lifted. Maybe lift the one leg. And once you have enough strength, try to lift the one leg up. So you might be here. Head is always lifted. Once you have a practice, you can slowly bring your head to the floor. Just stay here. Now what you need is your core and your shoulders. So engage your core and slowly maybe lift the legs up. Make sure you go very slow. Breathe. And when you're ready, you can slowly bend the legs and try to come to the crow again. Breathe. Find the contact and slowly come back. And then you're coming back. I don't have a space in the back, otherwise you can jump back. So from here, if I go here, then I can come to the crow and jump back. And then you can do the push-up, side forward, back, down for dog. Come to child pose then. So that's all for today. Thank you very much. And make sure in this posture you go very slow, or ask somebody who has experience in crow so they can help you. Thanks. And have a great day. Namaste.